Just like that, we got our parts back. 99 Trans Am, 6-speed, needed second gear. Rear end got 411. What was it, 342?
Yeah.
Had a 342 in it. Now it's 411, 6-speed. Door to scoot. Got to get it back together, get it tuned, get it on the road. Let's check out what Dylan's got going on. So today, he has put the transmission in, the rear end in, all new brakes, new calipers, they've been painted purple, new disc, new tick shifter, still not finished up quite yet. Brakes have been bled, new valve cover, header gasket, new catch can. He had already done the catch can, header gasket, and the valve covers. But today, he done the transmission, the whole drivetrain, brakes and all. He started it like 8 o'clock. Even put the exhaust back on it. Can you do that every day?
No.
Oh, me. Looks good, buddy. Sounds good. Ready for the road.